Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, front wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.